Hello, my name is Matt, a Senior Solutions Consultant at Quovim C3, an Aspect Software Authorized Channel Partner. And this is our Aspect Software Troubleshooting Tip number 7. This tip is a simple one, but it's something I've been asked a few times. It's basically, how do you install your Workforce Management license file? This is common when you purchase additional licenses to increase your staff. First, you'll want to save the file as a .lic or ensure it has a .lic extension. Second, within the WFM platform, click on Help, About, License. First, you'll need to export the current license and save it to a location, just in case you want to revert back to it. And second, import the new license. That's it. Let me know if this worked for you. To learn more, if you have your own question or have any other consulting needs, not only with Aspect, with any other workforce management software or workforce management in general, feel free to reach us at WFM@QuovimC3.com.